Hello traders, welcome back. Michael Harding here from the Academy of Financial Markets. In the last lecture I explained what head and shoulders was and how it's a major reversal pattern formation that happens with candlesticks. In this lecture I'm going to explain double tops. And double tops is another major reversal pattern development that happens in stocks and Forex. And so here we're taking a look at USD yen on a 4-hour time frame. Okay. Now, a double top is when price action is rising in a bull market. It creates a peak, and typically we would see some nice long wicks on the upside. Okay, so after it rises, creates these wicks, price action is unable to hold on to those gains. We tend to see some sort of consolidation. Now, the consolidation could be horizontally, or it could be somewhat on a declining slope like this. And then right after the consolidation, we would see another retest of the same level, and price would be completely rejected again. So you see here how price action rose to these highs, started to consolidate, and then tried to make a second attempt at breaking through this level, but again was immediately rejected and created this nice wick on the upside. And typically right afterwards we would see the market start to sell off right after this rejection. Now, from a market psychology perspective, something happened down below here, created this bull market, and once it hit a point where we started to see some sellers in the marketplace. Traders just are not believing that price should be this high. Okay, so but whatever caused this bull market this bull rally, this was still intact, and we were trying to make a second attempt at going higher, and with the failure to do so, that in most cases would lead to a nice sell-off. Okay, so that's a double top. A double bottom is basically just the opposite of this, where we would see price falling to lows. This could be sort of considered like a double bottom, where it made an attempt to go lower, failure. It would be nicer to see some longer wicks on the downside here, and then after retracing slightly and then trying to make a second attempt, it failed to do so, and after the second attempt we started to get more of a bullish market. Okay, so that's double tops and double bottoms.